Today, I will show you how to make a YouTube channel logo using ChatGPT. This method works even if you have no design skills and no experience with branding. I will walk you through every step slowly so you can follow along easily and use this as a full tutorial. First, open ChatGPT in your browser. Make sure you are using a version that supports image generation or image prompting. ChatGPT can help you plan, describe, and even generate logo ideas depending on your plan and region. Even when ChatGPT does not generate the final image, it is still very powerful for logo planning and prompt creation. Before you type anything, think about your YouTube channel. Ask yourself a few simple questions. What is the topic of your channel? Is it gaming, education, finance, travel, fitness, or entertainment? What feeling do you want your logo to give? For example, professional, fun, minimalist, bold, or futuristic. Also think about your channel name and whether you want text in the logo or only a symbol. Now, start by asking ChatGPT for help with logo ideas. You can type something like this. I have a YouTube channel about tech tutorials. My channel name is Tech Simple. I want a modern and clean logo. Give me logo ideas and styles. ChatGPT will respond with several concepts. Read them carefully. Pick one idea that matches your vision best. Next, refine the idea. Ask ChatGPT to improve it. For example, say, take idea number 2 and make it more minimal. Use simple shapes and a flat design. Focus on clarity at small sizes. This is important because YouTube logos are small on phones and profile icons. Once you have a clear idea, ask ChatGPT to create a detailed image prompt. This step is very important. You can say, write a professional image generation prompt for a YouTube channel logo. The logo should be modern, minimal, flat design, tech theme, blue and white colors, clean background, vector style, centered icon, no text or with text depending on your choice. ChatGPT will now give you a long and detailed prompt. If your ChatGPT version can generate images, paste that prompt directly into the image generation feature. Wait for the results. You will usually get multiple logo options. Look at each one carefully. Focus on clarity, balance, and readability. If none of them are perfect, that is normal. Now you refine again. Tell ChatGPT what to change. For example, make the icons simpler. Remove extra details. Increase contrast. Use fewer colors. This back and forth process is how you get a strong logo. If ChatGPT does not generate images for you, you can still use the prompt it created. Copy the prompt and use it in an external AI image generator. This is where many creators get better results. After you get a logo image you like, download it in the highest quality available. If possible, choose a square format with a transparent or solid background. YouTube recommends a square image so it fits well in profile circles. Now do a quick quality check. Zoom in and zoom out. Make sure the logo still looks good when it is very small. If it looks messy or unclear, go back and simplify it again. At this point, your logo is ready to use. Upload it to your YouTube channel profile and preview how it looks on desktop and mobile. If needed, adjust and regenerate one more time. Before we end, I want to share something important. While ChatGPT is great for planning, prompting, and basic logo creation, there is a better alternative if you want higher quality logos and more control. Leonardo AI is currently one of the best tools for logo and graphic generation. It offers cleaner outputs, better style control, and more professional results for branding. Many creators prefer it for serious YouTube channels. I highly recommend trying Leonardo for your logo creation. I have placed a link in the description so you can check it out easily. Use ChatGPT for ideas and prompts, then use Leonardo to generate the final logo for the best results.